Hello everybody, Andrew Majewski here. So let's talk about our Epicure April specials for the US. These are pretty awesome. We have had these specials in Canada before and they always sell out really quickly. So this is awesome. So this one here is a customer special. You get a power up like chocolate protein powder. This is awesome, you guys. It is so much healthier for you than the other protein powders out there. Always look at the label. Even if it says healthy or says organic, at the store, it's likely not, or not as healthy as you might think. But with Epicure, we make it so healthy, and this is amazing for you. So this is only $44. Now we have a host special as well. This we have had in Canada. I'm surprised that they haven't brought it back actually, because it usually comes like in the summertime, and then that's it. You can make your own tortillas at home. It is so easy, so much tastier. Just make a bunch. I put mine in my freezer in a Ziploc bag, and they still taste amazing if you take them out. They are so much healthier. I know I keep saying that, but it's so true. So much healthier, so much tastier than you will ever have. And people are pretty impressed when you say that you made your own tortillas, right? Like that's pretty cool. So this is only $6.50. Normally $22. You cannot get anything for like $6 these days, but you can get a whole tortilla press. How awesome. Now this is a host special, meaning you have to be a host to get the special. So if you want this, you guys, just send me an email, send me a message, whatever. If you have 4 people minimum that want to purchase Epicure, as long as all of the sales equal to $250, you can have this. So that's what being a host means. So since we can't host any in-person classes, we are doing them all online. So if you prefer, I can actually host your own online class for you. So all you have to do is show up online. I talk about Epicure. I will show you some amazing things, and that's it. Or to make it even easier, I just give you a link, your own like host referral link, so that you post that. You tell your like neighbors, friends, family, whoever, and anybody who does order from your link online, that gets added to your host total. And as long as it equals to $250 or more, you can have our host exclusive, which this is like the best one, I think. They haven't had this in the US yet, I believe, so this is pretty cool. So I hope you guys like our April specials. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next one.